Welcome back, YouTubers. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I made this yellow pine box with a fishing reel handle that really works. So I had this fishing reel and I wanted to make something cute out of it. So I put it on this oak dowel and put these fishing lines. It actually worked. But I'm going to attach it to a top and make like a box top out of it. Here's the box that I made for the top, and it's made from 3/4 inch pine. It's yellow pine, has bark inclusions in it. Originally this wood was wall paneling, so I had to remove the tongue and the groove, and then I planed both sides of it to make it really nice and smooth and recovered. And then I sanded and cut 2 pieces the same length, another 2 pieces for the ends the same length, and glued it all up. And then I put a bottom on it that is made of plywood. It's 1/8 inch plywood that's all sealed. And I think this is a good size box. You can put remotes or other stuff like that inside of this box. What I used for the top was a cutting board made of Padauk and Ebony. I sliced it down to about 3/8 inch thick. I planed it. I sanded it with a drum sander. Then I did hand sanding, and I put a coat of Danish oil on it in the end. This is what I used to put this reel on with the dowel and this twine and this little system right here. And I think it turned out pretty cool. And I attached it with glue as well as little brads, and they're on the underneath, and that held up pretty well. In order to get this top secure on the bottom, I made this piece here, and this will lock in place in the box so it won't move around. But I'm gonna coat this with a piece of, or actually coat this with, actually I'm gonna do it that way. No, that's good. Sand it a little, coat it with red oak, so it kind of sort of matches this Padauk reddish color. It'll be more subtle than this color, which is the natural oak color. And then attach the fishing reel setup, and that'll be that box. I'll take some final shots of that when it's all done. Well, there's the box. I think it turned out pretty cool. If you're interested in seeing more, please look at my Etsy site or my regular site, mhstudios.com. I'll put everything in the description below. Thanks again for watching.